Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw affiliate commissions from ClickBank to bank, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw affiliate commissions from ClickBank to your bank, start by logging into your ClickBank account. Once logged in, navigate to the marketplace. Check your current earnings by selecting the account option from the main menu. In the account section, choose payment information to review your payout settings. Ensure your bank account details are correctly entered and verified. Next, select Reports from the main menu to view your commissions. Locate the earnings report for the applicable period. Make sure your earnings meet ClickBank's minimum payout threshold. Once you've confirmed your earnings, go back to the Account section. Select Account Settings to find options for payment. Choose your preferred payment method, which can be by check, direct deposit, or wire transfer. For direct deposit, make sure all banking details are accurate. Click Save Changes after you verify your payment details. Return to the main menu and select Payout Information. Review the scheduled payout dates to know when to expect your funds. Once your payout is scheduled, ClickBank will process the funds according to your selected method. If you chose direct deposit, monitor your bank account for the transfer. For checks, ensure you provide a valid mailing address. Allow a few days for the transaction to complete. If you encounter any issues, check the ClickBank Help Center for assistance. Following these steps ensures a smooth process for withdrawing your affiliate commissions from ClickBank to your bank. Stay informed on any changes to ClickBank's payment policies to avoid unexpected delays. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.